So I created a bold, brown, shimmery, daytime appropriate smoky eye with the new Born This Way Too Faced Natural Nudes eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. I am blown away by how great this palette is. I'm definitely going to create so many more tutorials with this palette. So be sure to hit the bell for notifications, subscribe, comment, like. And so this is my makeup tutorial using the amazing Too Faced Born This Way Natural Nudes eyeshadow palette. So first I'm going to take the shade Nude. The first shade I'm going to take is Nude on a Sigma E25 brush. Just blending this into the crease area, a little bit in the upper crease as well, blending all over. This shade is super pigmented and blendable. I absolutely love this shade as a transition shade. It's so beautiful. And on a smaller tapered blending brush, this is the JH35 by Morphe, I'm going to take the shade Maple and blend that into the crease. A little bit lower than Nude. Maple is probably one of my favorite shades in this palette. It's such a pretty, beautiful, warm brown shade. I just absolutely love it. Once again, just blending this into the crease area, keeping it nice and low. On a JH33 brush, I'm gonna take the shade Cocoa, which is that beautiful red tone brown. I'm going to just pat that all over the bottom lid. And I have some eyelash glue on my eyelids. This matte is so pretty, so pigmented. And then I'm just gonna blend this a little bit into the crease. And then blending up into the crease. And then I'm just going to make sure that both sides match. And then I'm going to take this shade, the shade Sugared Chestnut with my finger and apply that all over the lid. such a beautiful brown tone. So beautiful. Really, really, really in love with this palette. Such a good palette. The Real Techniques detailer brush, I'm gonna highlight my inner corner with the shade Glistening Snow. And then highlight my brow bone with the shade Swan. And then a Morphe JH39 brush. I'm gonna take the shade Cocoa and blend out my bottom lash line. And then just going to line my top lash line with Clinique Pretty Easy liquid eyeliner. And I'm gonna apply some black eyeliner pencil to my waterline. Then we apply some mascara and some false lashes.